Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you my holiday curls and my makeup. So I'm just going to use the Too Faced Born This Way Cocoa foundation. That's the shade Cocoa. It's the Born This Way one. I love this one. I use it all the time. I'm using my Morphe brush. I forgot what the number is, but I always use this one. So yeah, and I'm just going to blend that in. My eyebrows are already done. And I just put these little hair clips to get my hair out of my way. And then I'm putting this Born This Way concealer. And this one is in Chestnut. And I'm putting right underneath my eyes. And yeah, we're going to put it on the bridge of our nose and our forehead and a little bit over our mouth. I put a little bit too much on my nose, so I was like, whoa. And then yeah, so we're just going to blend it out. I'm going to blend out the bigger areas with the brush. And then I'm going to go in with a sponge. So my nose, my forehead, and my upper lip, I'm going to blend all that out with the brush, and that's easier because it blends right into your foundation that way, and I want more pigmentation right underneath my eyes, so I'm going to use a sponge. This is a Real Technique sponge, by the way. So yeah, just wet that and start dabbing. Yeah, once I keep dabbing this in and blending it all out, then we're going to set it with powder. And this is like a really nice base. I love doing this all the time. So this is my Fenty Honey powder. I like this for a really bright under eye. If you guys want to like shock people for the holidays or New Year's, whatever you guys are doing this for. So yeah, it really looks nice. I like this color. It's very, very bright and it's very golden, so I really like it when I really want to go for that bold look. So yeah, I'm just going to set basically everywhere I put the highlighted stuff, and we're just going to go right over top of that. And a little bit goes a long way, so just put a little bit and then keep going more and more. So sometimes I keep putting too much, like over my mouth was a little bit too much, but just go a little at a time and then build it up. So now I'm going to do my Laura Mercier powder, and this one's translucent medium deep, and it's just like a brownish powder. It's a little bit darker than the Fenty Beauty. I'm just going to go and basically carve out before eye bronze, so yeah, basically impact the darker area. So as you can see, it already looks like I bronzed because I did this. And then I'm going to just go ahead and wipe that away. Wipe as much away as possible. And then I'm going to use my Black Radiance pressed powder. And this one's in Black Coffee. And then I'm going to go in bronze. I love this part. I love this product. It literally got shattered since I traveled. I'm at my dad's house, so my old house. So as you can see, it's like a really, really pink room. I don't really enjoy the pink. That's kind of why the colors are a little bit off. It's more, I don't know, more reddish, oranges. And usually my lighting is more like white. Even though I use my ring light, it was just too like homemade for me. But I didn't mind. I wanted to get this video up for you guys. But yeah, I'm just gonna keep using that product, and I put that on my nose and I contoured with it. And I'm setting my eyes with the same concealer, and I've blended it out. And then now I'm gonna go in with the Jaclyn Hill palette and use that orangey shade and use a brush. It's from ColourPop. It's a blending brush, and just put that all into my crease first before we go in with our burgundy shade. This look is really, really easy, really like super quick for some holiday look to see if you like put everything together, but you really just do on two shades. And I'm putting that burgundy shade and I'm putting that right onto my lid. Using the same brush and everything, so yeah, I'm just going to do that and then blend it out. And you want to blend as much as possible, as much as you can. I didn't really do a really, really good job at blending, but I was literally lacking with supplies, you guys. Like, I didn't have a mirror. I was using my viewfinder. As you can see, it was a little bit struggle to film this video. And then I'm going to use that shade, that highlighter right there. It's a Revlon highlighter. I'm not sure if they sell anymore, but it's my favorite one. And I'm going to put that into my inner corner. And then I'm going to use that same highlighter and I'm going to put that all over my cheeks and my nose and everywhere. Because it really is like really subtle. You can't really tell that it's there, to be honest. And then I'm going to, boom, spray my face with the Mari Badescu spray. And then line my lips with a brown liner. That liner is from like a beauty supply store. So yeah, you know, just any brown liner would do. I already put lashes on. If you guys are going to ask me what lashes I am, they're coming out soon. I'll let you know. And then this NYX London lip cream. And then this is Lena Lashes. I'm not sure if they still sell this, but this was in the shade Orlando. And then we're going to get started on the hair. Oh, I also put like a little bit of lip gloss on as usual, like my normal clear lip gloss. And yeah, that's like the makeup look. So I'm just going to use this wand curl, and this is the Royal wand curler. I think it's 1 inch or less than 1 inch, and it goes like from like fat to skinny. So I don't really know. And I'm spraying this spray. It's like literally a regular hairspray. I found it in my drawer, so I was like, oh, I'm gonna use this. I don't know, I'm not really sure if it works very well, but any hairspray that you want that makes like will work for you. And yeah, here I'm just gonna spray it just to make sure the curls stay. And we're going for more like a loose, beachy curl, not like too tight curls. And yeah, so that's why I'm not leaving them on for very long. And like I'm taking sections that are like really messy, some smaller sections, some bigger sections, because we want like an effortless type look. So we're gonna keep going. I'm gonna keep on doing the same thing. I'm wanding away from my face. Usually I like this way. Sometimes I also like towards my face, depending on what I'm doing. And then I'm just gonna keep going each side. Sometimes I don't get all the curls because I'm taking bigger sections, but yeah, then I just go back in and basically curl when needed. And this hair is from Beauty Forever Hair. You guys ask me about this hair a lot. I wear it like a lot and I just don't tag them or anything, but yeah, this is really nice hair. I really like it. I straightened it, I crimped it, and I'm curling it now, so it can hold a curl. It can literally do whatever you want to it. I think it is really nice hair. And yeah, I made it out of a wig, so it was 4 bundles and a frontal, so I made a wig into it, and now I'm wearing it all the time. As you can see, like right here, it's like a really just like a messy part. I did not really care because these effortless curls, I don't know how to describe it. I don't want it to be so perfect, so it has like the parting has to be kind of imperfect too. So yeah. So you're just gonna keep doing this all over the head. And yeah, if you guys have any other questions about the hair, there'll be links to it down below, and I'll try to also link all the products in the video down below too. So yeah. Hopefully it's pretty easy to follow, and hopefully you guys like understand what I'm doing. I would also suggest, I'm gonna get a new wand curl because I want like, sometimes like I want like a bigger wand curl so it can get like the job done quicker. So if you have a bigger one, I would suggest using that one. But as you can see, like the curls turn out so cute, as one side is like just in this natural state and the other side is just like curled. So pretty. So yeah. Also, comment down below, you guys, like what your New Year's goals are. I know we're going into a new decade, so I just want to see what you guys are planning for the new decade, what you guys are looking forward to, what habits you want to adapt, and which ones you want to get rid of. So just like comment down below what you guys are looking forward to. Super exciting that like I actually lived through like a decade. So yeah, I'm so excited for the new things that are coming. I hope you guys like are gonna like what I'm also gonna bring to the table, and I have a lot of new things that I want to create, like content wise and just as far as like my brand and everything. So hopefully you guys like what I put out, and I don't know, comment down below what you think also like my brand would be. So I really want to talk to you guys. I want to engage with you guys more, especially on YouTube. So I'm going to start answering like a lot of questions and comments and putting a lot of links to a lot of things that you guys would ask me in the description box too. So yeah, new year, new content. So we're just going to keep going. And don't mind me, I was like on the phone, so I was yapping my mouth, but yeah, we're just gonna keep doing this. It kind of takes a while. I think it took me probably like 45 minutes to complete the whole entire head. It's better low-key if you do it on a wig head, but I really didn't have that option because I like came to DC. If you guys don't know, that's where I'm from. Then I had to like pack really light because I always have a problem with my bags being like so overweight. So I'm just like basically I had to pack light, and I couldn't bring my wig head or any other supplies, so I just worked for what I got. And yeah, this is how the look came out. Super pretty, super effortless. Like I love this so much. I don't know, it turned out so pretty. So now I'm just gonna go in with like finishing touches and like curl up pieces that, you know, need to be curled. And I wanted always to put like a hat on, so I did. Put this red hat. This is what the look was inspired by, low key. So yeah, this holiday like Santa type look. So I did this photo shoot basically for this in front of a Christmas tree, and it turned out so pretty. I loved it. But I hope you guys enjoyed the video. This is the finished and completed look with the makeup and the hair. Hope you guys have a happy holidays and you guys are doing amazing. Comment down below things that are happening in your life. And yeah, see you guys next time. Bye.